See, if you want to insert any new condition type, or if you want to add any new condition type by creating new one, this is a procedure. First you have to create, for example, you want to create a new condition type which is equal to a discount. Okay, now you want to add some, take any standard one, RA00,
Okay.
discount percentage on net, RA01 gross. For example, you want to go with the similar which is equal to gross, you just copy it. For this you want to give a name as G discount on gross, otherwise you can give like ZRA G. And discount percentage, you can go with the same name. Now save it. Okay, because you want to go with the as per standard only, but only for your convenience, otherwise for some naming convention, maybe discount percentage on gross, like we can say like discount percentage on gross, maybe some your company GKC something, any some specific purpose only you created it.
Okay.
Now you want to insert this condition type in your existing pricing procedure. M/08.
Yeah.
Okay, it is already open. Can we open that screen? Okay. For AKSS01, you want to insert it. Then go to the control. Select your pricing procedure. Go to the control. We don't want that. Okay. Now here you want to add the condition type. Okay. Already 10 is there. It is coming under the discount, and you need to check the counter. Okay. They have used counter till 17. Okay. Now we need to do
17. Yes.
Yeah, you want to copy like your the same thing like a discount percent grass. You just select it and click on copy.
Okay.
Step 10 is common, and counter you have to give as 17, and the new condition type G RAG, right?
RAG.
Yeah, Z RAG. Just enter it. Okay. In
18,
entry
sir. 18.
17 is already there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, 18. Yeah.
System won't allow you to enter the same kind of thing. Okay, for some
Yeah.
specific purpose you created this one. You want to get this discount only for certain materials, maybe such kind of requirement. This is the process how to add the thing, and you can select the manual. If you click on manual, system won't propose automatically. You have to give manually when you are creating the PO. Now save it. This is the process of adding new condition type in an existing pricing procedure. Okay. For
Exactly.
example, you want to get this AKSS01 for your PO or whatever it is. Now go to
Yes.
/n SPIO reference IMG. In interview also, if you get a question like how to get the pricing procedure to your PO, you have to check like the schema group purchasing organization has to be assigned to purchasing organization, and the schema group vendor needs to be assigned to the vendor master. Because of these two assignments, when you create a PO for that purchasing organization and vendor, system will give pricing procedure automatically. Okay. Now first we will check
Nice.
this. The first element will be purchasing organization, second element will be vendor. Purchasing
Okay.
organization will be assigned to the schema group purchasing organization, which might contain 2-3 pricing procedures. Generally two. One is domestic and another one is import. How
Import, yeah.
system can identify whether I have to give domestic or import, because that will be schema group vendor which will be assigned to the pricing procedure in the vendor master purchasing data. Okay. Now conditions. I have a very good document on this pricing procedure of import also, that I will give you. Like it's
Mm-hmm.
a more or less it will be similar, only we will have some 4 conditions extra. Okay.
Okay.
Define price determination
Sir,
process.
sir, just a minute, just a minute.
Okay. Then you have to check the define schema group. In define schema group, we have to first check what schema group vendor we have. Schema group vendor. Anything we can use, like which schema group vendor you are using now?
A1.
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 Okay.
A1 is there.
A1 is the
Just
test schema group vendor. Akshay or something you can give, like if you want. Otherwise you can keep this test schema group. Maybe you can give like test domestic schema group by
yeah. Yeah.
domestic schema. Test domestic schema.
Mm.
Come back. Then schema group purchasing organization. Here, which purchasing organization you are using? ASGRP.
No, sir, I am using purchase organization AKPO.
AKPO. I'm
No,
asking about
no,
the
sir.
schema group. I think ASGP, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, right, sir, right.
Okay.
Right,
The
right.
schema group purchasing organization is ASGP. We have created.
Right.
Now
Mm.
come back. Then assignment of schema group to purchasing organization.
Yeah.
What is our purchasing organization?
Now
AKPO.
AKPO, yes. Yeah.
And
It's
ASGP we
already
have
assigned.
assigned it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Mm.
we'll go to vendor master. And one more thing, we will just see this schema group determination. Here, the first point is define calculation schema for standard purchase orders. In this step, what we do, what is our schema group purchasing organization?
ASGP.
AGP, and the schema group vendor is A1.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, for this combination, we have assigned the ASH01 pricing procedure. Okay, for this
Mm.
combination, we assigned the ASH01. These are the configuration settings which we supposed to do
Mm.
when you want a pricing procedure during creation of PO. Now we have to
Mm.
go to vendor master, go to MK02. What is our vendor? Same thing.
Yeah.
AKPO is our thing, and go to the purchasing data. In purchasing data, we have to assign the schema group vendor A1.
Mm.
Now save it. Now we'll start creating the PO and we will check whether the pricing procedure has come or not. Okay, now start creating the PO. See, once you create a purchase order with the same combination of vendor and
Mm.
the purchasing organization, see if you see the header, the vendor is
Mm.
Akshay02 and the organization data, here we have given the
Mm.
purchasing organization.
Mm.
Now if you see the condition tab, we get the required details. And also if you want to check the new condition type which we have added in the pricing procedure, we can see this, see here, G, RAG, whatever you have added, that has also has
Right.
come. And if you want to see the entire pricing procedure, you can click on analysis, and in analysis we will come to know which pricing procedure is available in my PO, see
Yeah.
AKSS01, and what are the condition types. All these details we can see. And this is about how a pricing procedure is picking and how to add the new condition type in the existing pricing procedure.
Mm.
If you want to add any header condition, generally we use header condition option. For example, you have a 10 materials 10 items in the PO. For all 10 items, the discount is 5%. At that time, compared to giving each condition tab 5 like that, we can give at a time 5% in the header. Okay, like this we can give header discount value. Otherwise, you can say like header discount on grass. Now, if you give 5, okay, that 5% will come to all the items of the PO. If
Line
any
item.
every condition type we can see, but only thing is if you want to add a condition type in the header, that respective condition type should have header flag in the configuration. Let me show you that. If you go to m/06 and if you give RA01,
Discount on loss.
and click on display, here the header condition, if you have the header condition flag, then only you can add in the PO header, otherwise you cannot add it. We use it to activate this function for very few condition types for which we require. Okay? This is an additional information. Whenever you are trying to do a goods receipt and see, you can see at the bottom, purchase document
Not
is
yet.
not yet released. Okay, when you get that error, first you have to release the PO 17878. If you have activated the release procedure and you have not released, then system will give this error message. I think this PO already you have kept to open it somewhere.
Here itself, yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. We will go to that screen. Yeah, this one only, right? Is it the same PO? This is a new PO which we are going to create.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to reach that state. Yeah, this one. Go to header. Yeah, you just release the PO and save it. And also, whenever you want to make goods receipt, you need to check. Go to the delivery tab. Go to item details and delivery tab. You should have the goods receipt tick. Okay. Otherwise, the system won't allow you to do the goods receipt. Now go to Migo. Okay. Now check the, go to where tab, which storage location you want to create it. You want to receive the material, you have to give the storage location. Okay, you can just click on F4. You will get the which storage location is available, 1006. And here the stock type will be there, whether you want to take to unregistered or quality. Yeah, once it is everything fine, you just click on item OK, and here the PO details will be there, and here how much quantity you are receiving, 300, and which material. Now,
So take it partial delivery, sir. I mean, please take it
yeah, you
200.
can take it. For example, vendor has sent you only 200 quantity or 100 quantity
Yeah.
has received. You just take the 100 quantity. Here you can see how much quantity you have ordered and how much quantity you are receiving.
Okay, sir.
Now, click on check button. Okay, it is saying like deficit of your order convenience. It is saying that you have ordered 300 but you are receiving 200.
Mm-hmm.
Now post it. If the posting date everything is same, then system will allow you to do the goods receipt. If you don't have any issues with OBYC settings like automatic account determination everything, it will post it. Yeah, it has successfully posted.
Yeah.
Means we are good with every settings like OBYC everything. Now we just go up. Here we need to take the display. Just enter the material document
Mm.
and document info. Click on FI documents, and before that we'll just see the material 542 503. Go to FI documents, click on
Yes.
accounting
Counting.
document.
Mm.
Here if you go to the change layout, if you just click on find and give transaction, it's transaction, just
Payment
click on
one.
one more enter, one more. Yeah, we need to take the thing which is having only transaction. Okay,
Mm.
and just click on left hand side, you just pass it. And always if you want to save it as a new layout, because we want to see everything, right? The new layout, the name we can write AK, just I'm for your name, understand? AK
Yeah.
accounting document
Ba-
layout. What is the use of this layout? Because when your layout already exists, to overwrite existing layout. One second, we just say the name also. This also we will change it.
mm.
AK layout, AKS layout.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. See,
Yes.
now we have created a new layout. What is use of this layout? Because
Mm.
as you are in the learning stage, you want to see always we have to be very not only learning, even in the real-time business
Mm.
also we have to see what is my transaction keys. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now whenever you want to open, you will get this BSX stock at debit positive and
Mm.
GRIR clearing account WRX at credit.
Correct.
Okay, how
Mm.
these have come already I have explained many times. Anyway, as the situation has come, I will just explain again. First we will see the our material valuation class.
Mm.
This is the right 542.
Third one. Yeah.
Done.
Mm.
Yeah, go to accounting view and give the plant 1000 and go to accounting 1
One.
to get the valuation class. The valuation class
3000.
is 3000. Okay.
Mm.
Now go
Mm.
to slash and OBYC, go to BSX and INT
Mm.
and valuation modifier 0001 and valuation class is 3000.
3000.
Account is
Three. Three triple double
300,550.
three. Yeah.
Okay, just go to
Mm.
the accounting entry screen. Not this one, that
Mm.
another side, alt tab. Yeah, yeah. One second.
Mm.
See 300 550.
Yeah. Five.
Yeah, now WRX also if you want to see, go to OBYC, come back, not this, accounting document, Okay. Yeah, you have just change the settings of Windows. Okay, now go to WRX, double click on that, and our valuation modifier is 0001. This is the valuation modifier, means valuation grouping code. Okay. Valuation modifier is the valuation grouping code for which our entire valuation areas we have assigned, and the valuation class is 3000.
Yeah.
See, for valuation modifier means valuation grouping code for which our
Mm,
1000 is assigned, and the valuation class is 3000. The account is
mm,
31200.
mm. 72.
Yeah, this is the method in my every video of
Yeah.
goods received, goods issue. I have explained that how it has
Yeah,
been
already yes.
31200. Okay, this is about
Okay.
the goods received. When it is not released, it won't allow you. You have to do the release first, and then you have to do the goods receipt. The posting periods and OBYC settings, everything is fine. Then system will not throw you any error message, and also the number ranges, everything should be available. Then it will be successfully posted. We're going to discuss this. What are the characteristics are assigned, and what are the class which is assigned to your release. If you want to see, first you will
Mm-hmm.
go to our PO. Okay. In your case, you have a PO in an existing system, and according to your knowledge of release strategies which you have learned now, you want to see in your existing
Mm.
company. For example, you got a support project. Okay, you joined for a support project
Okay.
and you have a knowledge of release procedure and all, and you want to
Mm.
know how the release step everything was configuration was done in your company. First, what you have to do
Mm.
is, this is your PO. Just now we have created it, and
Yes.
here you have seen like release group RG and release
Mm.
strategy S1, and
That's
there
it.
are some
Mm.
release codes are available. Okay,
Right.
now you came to like the release group is RG, strategies we can
Mm.
see it. Okay, now you want to see the
Mm.
setup, what classes are available, everything. For this, go
Mm.
to SPRO, and then material management, purchasing, purchase order, release procedure for purchase orders.
Mm.
Okay, now first you want to
Mm.
see the what is your class, define release procedure. First click on release groups.
Mm. Mm. Also.
See, class underscore test 4
Next
is
four.
your class. Okay,
Class lunch.
now
Yes.
you can come back. Here only we have the class. Just give the, otherwise you can search out. Just now we have seen also, right? Class underscore release 4. You can
Mm.
give the class type 032, because really 032 is the class type for release. We have
Mm.
many things as it is IDE system, but we remember something, class underscore test 4. Okay, this is the one which is running for you.
Mm.
Okay, now go to the display mode and go to the characteristic tab. See, these are the two characteristics they are using. One is plant, another one is total net order value. Okay. For
Mm.
example, in the same existing class, if you want to use PO document type, purchasing organization, that also you can do it. Okay,
Mm.
these are the characteristics, and if you want to see that, go to /o CT04 is a transaction code to see a
Mm.
character.
Interesting.
What character they created? Character document type, right?
Mm.
CHAR Let me see that. Can you go to that screen? Yeah, it has come.
Which one?
See, character underscore document type. See, they gave the character document type as a name, but description they have given as a plant. We'll see what really they have done. According to the table and field, we can come to know that. Can you go to this other screen? Now go to the characteristic.
Character.
CHARDOCTYPE. Description, values, and come to the additional data, WRKS. See, communication structure is CEKKO and field name is plant.
This is for a standard PO, sir.
Yeah, standard PO. See, what they have done is the name they have given as a document type, but the description, everything is a plant. Yeah, and also that values also they have given as a single value. You have to always give multiple values. Okay, because you will give the multiple plants also at a time if you want to go with. If you want to go with only single plant, then we will give the single value. Otherwise, it will be a multiple values. From this, we will come to know what characteristics we have created and what are the classes are available. Okay, these are the two characteristics they created. And coming to define release procedure. Just now we have seen the groups and here the codes. Codes means the approvers, the manager and senior manager who are the people. We are coming here and coming to the indicator, completely blocked or completely released. That's what we can see here. Changeable indicator. See, for the release we will keep the release as a flag. For block we will keep the blank. By deleting this you can try on your own also by creating a new characteristic, everything. Okay.
Yeah, okay, so I will do it today, right now. I mean, after completion of
See
class, I
this
will go to it.
value and this procurement, release prerequisites. If you select like this, it will go first to C1 and then it will go to C2. If you don't select it, at a time it will go to two people. Anybody can release first. But
Okay.
if you want to go with the sequence, first it has to go to officer. Once officer has approved, it has to go to manager. Then you need to click this prerequisite. Okay. And coming to release statuses, you will see the blocked and released. And in the classification, we need to give the values. When the values are getting satisfied, then only you will get the release tab. Okay. This is the way how you can check your existing release procedure. See, whenever you want to see the details of any movement type or the T code is movement type. The T code is OM JSA. Okay, you have to go to movement type. Click on enter. Then you can give 101. For example, if you want to see for 101, from and to you have to give. Then here you will see what is the movement type text and what are the allowed transactions, for which transactions it is 101 can be used, and also field selection means what are things are mandatory and what are optional. For example, if you see this enjoy transaction in Migo, which are optional and which are required entry. All the details like reason for movement, if you have any reason for movement, everything we can see. Okay, and the list of movement types I will send you and you also can see. I told you, right? If you come to OMJJ,
Okay. So no need to send, sir. I will go through it.
yeah.
Don't worry.
And
Actually,
here what is the use, you will get all the movement types if you click from here you can take the list if required.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
if you go to Migo transaction code, that all there also you will get it with better what you call description, the long description.
Ah,
Yep.
yes.
Yeah, but here is like if you select goods receipt, you will
Yeah.
get the goods receipt related movement types.
Hmm. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, from here you will get it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
here
Okay.
many
Okay.
documents are compared to OMJSI. This is the better because you will have a lengthy
Hmm.
description. Everything you will have.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. And even I also have a document. I think I will just send you that if I get anything.
Ah, okay, okay, sir. Now it's clear now. I will check it. हाँ सॉरी सर थोड़ा मैं बाहर था